Hi, I'm Nate Moore. Welcome to Lesson 30. Today we're going to move from talking about pivot tables to another new feature in Excel 2007 called tables. They're a little bit different than pivot tables. Some of the features are the same. We're going to spend the next several lectures walking through the tables feature. I'm going to start with the pivot table only because when you double click and drill down, as we started a long time ago through these lectures, you get the data underlying what you clicked. And this drill down data is in the form of a table. So you can see that what Excel does is it shades every other row. It puts the headings up here a little bit different. And the clever thing is you get things similar to what you're used to seeing in pivot tables. You get some sorting options. You get some filtering options here. And we're going to go through each of these menus over time. But the first and easy way to get tables is if you have a pivot table, double click on the cell you want to see, and it will create a table for you. If you don't have a pivot table set up, but you just have a whole bunch of data in a table form, I've got, what do I have, 10 or 12 columns down 500 or so rows worth of E&M data. I'm going to do Control Home and go back to the top. And what you can do in Excel is you can click any place in the table, and there's a button here that says Format as a Table. And then it's going to give me some formatting options, and I'll do this to get me something similar to what we saw in the other one. And it says, oh, I see that you have a table, and it was smart enough, even though I only had one cell, it went and found that my table went from A1 to L500. And the other thing it checked out was, hey, the data here look a little bit different than the first line. You must have headers, and sure enough, I do. So I'm going to click that and say OK, and I have the very same thing. I have a table set up here. I have patient doctor date with some sorting options, some filtering options here, and I have a table that I can play with. That's all I wanted to cover today. I just wanted to show you how to set up a table. You can either do it from double-clicking on a pivot table like we did on these sheets, or you can take just plain old ordinary data and highlight someplace in there, and then from the Home tab, Format as a Table, you've got a table, and with that we can start to go to work. We'll do that next time. Thanks for watching.